Yo, what's up, y'all? It's Jordan Martin with Martin Investment Group, Martin Stock Club, coming to you with some stocks to watch for Tuesday, September 13th. All right, we're going to kick it off with T-Mobile, ticker symbol TMUS. All right, so what we're looking at here is real simple. First, we see is major supply zone right here, right? Rejection, rejection. Now we're here getting a bunch of rejections. So there's two possibilities, right? One, we can, eventually break out of this or whatever you want to call it is, right? Break out of that and continue to move up. I think what will happen is we'll go ahead and start seeing a wave back down. We have a couple of major levels that we could take it out along the way down. All right, so what I'm looking at to start potentially swinging or maybe just day trade tomorrow is a break below the low of today. All right, we also know that we did make an inside candle today on the daily. So I'll set an alert below 142.30. And that'll trigger for me to know that we're starting to make new lows. And then if I come over here and take a look at the weekly, I'll also set one for a low below this previous week's candle. And that'll be my swing entry. So one for day trade, one for swing, and I'll put that at 148. All right. So that's telling me that we took it out this low. And once we reject here, then I think it's possible we can see a potential stop right here before coming back down to about the 130 area. All right, Kroger. Kroger had earnings. It broke out of this this falling wedge. They had earnings recently. All right, from the big bullish candle on earnings, and now we're inside. So I think this has the potential to just do a double inside day. We do have CPI data coming out tomorrow that can affect this. So without CPI, I'll be looking at continuation of the up move off the earnings, which rejected right at 52. So I'll just put a mark at 52.05. So that way I can know we're making higher highs or new highs. And then we can see us move up towards 53.50. And then after 53.50, we got about the $56 area. All right. On the short side, looking at United Steel Corporation, or X as their ticker symbol. So first thing we see is this recent triple top. All right. So we'll go ahead and mark that off real quick. And then we also followed the triple top with a with a bearish engulfing candle today. Okay. So what I'm gonna look at is just making a new low, 230.89. So I'll look at 5 cents below. So 23. Matter of fact, let's take 82. All right, so new low coming in, and I look to go ahead and catch that as a potential exit, and right here as well. All right, especially because we see this is the last area it bounced from, so we don't want to hold through those levels. It bounced right here earlier too. All right, so that's a simple move. We can see what that'll warrant us. We enter there. It's about 5% move down, a dollar move. So that wouldn't be too bad to get in the trade. And then lastly, AMC. AMC on the daily. We have what's looking like it's forming a head and shoulders with a lot of room, but all the same. All right, we see our left shoulder here, our head here, and our right shoulder here. All right, if we swing it over to the weekly, you still see the same thing. All right. So I'm looking for just a new low to come in. And we get a new low, looking to swing it back down here off the new low. Okay. And AMD, once it starts moving, as we can clearly see. So some potential for some big gains here, depending on how we move. So I'm gonna set an alert for 9, 8, and that's it. All right. So those are 4 of the stocks I'm looking at. I'm looking at a couple of others. And those are shared with my daily watch list email subscribers, as well as the members in our Discord group. You can find links to both of those in the description below. And as always, if this was helpful, if you learned anything, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on notifications, and ask questions so I can continue to help serve you more. Again, this is Jordan Martin with Martin Investment Group and Martin Stock Club. Y'all have a great